Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download textures packs for Minecraft safely. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Open your web browser of choice. Go to a reputable Minecraft texture pack website. Search for the texture pack you want to download. Read reviews and check ratings to ensure it's reliable. Click on the download link for the texture pack. Make sure to select the correct version that matches your Minecraft game version. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded texture pack file, which is usually in a zip format. Do not extract the zip file, Minecraft uses it as is. Open the Minecraft launcher. Select the game version that matches your downloaded texture pack. Click on Options, then go to Resource Packs. Click on Open Resource Pack folder. Drag and drop the downloaded zip file into this folder. Return to the Minecraft game. You should now see your texture pack listed in the Resource Packs menu. Select the texture pack and click on the arrow to move it to the active section. Click Done to apply the changes. Enjoy your new textures in Minecraft. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.